How to know if someone blocked you on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Telegram application on your device. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Now if someone has blocked you on Telegram, first of all, you will not be able to message them. Okay, so let's go to the profile, one of the profile over here, and let's send the message. Now it's gone, it's delivered to the person. So it means that this person has not blocked me on Telegram. Now if the person has blocked me on Telegram, it will be clearly visible on their profile, as it can show you the option of last seen a long time ago. So something like, if that something option like that arrives or comes to your profile, then it shows that that person has blocked you on Telegram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.